I nominated Adam because I think he's one of the most exciting researchers I know. He's working in a field called precision public health, and he's focusing on understanding the way information shapes our beliefs and our health behaviours. It's an exciting area, but it's also a challenging area in terms of methodology. There are new sorts of data like Twitter, social media, which aren't amenable to standard methods. So Adam is bringing exciting new ideas in from fields like computer science, but also has a deep understanding of the importance of things like vaccine message promotion, etc. So I just think it's both a methodologically exciting area, but a really important area, and it requires a special kind of mind to forge the way.
I'm very pleased to have been nominated as a finalist in the Data Innovation category for the Research Australia Awards in 2019. I know that the finalists from past and present have been really influential in bridging the gap between data science and real impact on health outcomes. So as a computer scientist, I'm especially pleased to be nominated in amongst and alongside these people. My research is about understanding how misinformation spreads on social media, with a specific focus on vaccine hesitancy. To do this, my team and I collect data. We collect lots of data, including tens of millions of tweets and billions of social connections, which we then use to understand how people engage with and how they're exposed to misinformation online. Using methods from network science and machine learning, we've shown that we can predict whether or not someone's next tweet about vaccination will be either positive or negative, not by looking at what they tweet specifically, but by looking at the social connections that they have. We're now translating these tools into things that public health organisations and other agencies can use to support the communication interventions that they design. We're using them to identify sections of the population that might be susceptible to misinformation, and then empower them with new tools that they might be able to use to evaluate what they see online and stop the spread of misinformation. Just like search engines like Google have been able to help us access data within milliseconds, I think the next tools that we build in this space will help us filter information for credibility and truth. There's probably been no more important time than now to understand how we can address the problems with misinformation and to promote truth.